Welcome to part 2 of how to create these earrings. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a head pin to create a wire wrapped effect onto the pearl and attach it to this earring, as well as how to attach this charm to the top part of this earring. So let's get right into it. Slide the pearl onto the head pin, then create a 90-degree angle with the head pin. Then using a round nose plier, grab the head pin here. Then using another plier, bring it around and create a loop. Should look something like this. Then go ahead and attach the loop on the bottom ring of the earrings. Then go back and grab onto the head pin like this. Then using your plier, you can begin wrapping around. Once you've created as many passes around as you desire, make sure that the last ring is stopping at the back section of the pearl and not the front, because we don't want to see the cut off part in the front when you're wearing the pearl. Then use your cutter to cut off that excess piece of head pin. Go back with your plier and just press that down, ensuring that there's no piece sticking out. The beauty about using wrapping wire is that you can mold it into any shape or way that you want it to go into. And once you're done, they should look like this. These hammered earrings come with 2 pairs in the pack, so you can make 2 sets of earrings with this style. I'm gonna go ahead and use the emerald green CZ pendants with the bow on top. In order to attach the 2 together, all you need to do is utilize a jump ring and attach the jump ring to the top loop of the pendant to the bottom loop of the earring. Use your set of pliers to close it up. And just under a minute, you can create these stunning earrings that can elevate any outfit. Let's be honest, we live in a time period where nobody has time to make things that take too long to create. We're very efficient with our time because we want to work smart, not hard. So that's what I love so much about these earrings, is that they add such an elevated designer look. They don't take too long to make, and since the earring part isn't really touching your skin as much, they will last such a long time. You can browse our shop and totally personalize what you attach to the top part of these earrings. And we also do have a few different styles of earrings that you can utilize as the post part as well. Here's one other style that we currently carry with a ring on the bottom. It's kind of actually hidden at the back, so you can attach any pendant, pearl, charm of your choice to the bottom of these earrings to personalize it and create your own design. They each have their own curve, so it sits perfectly on each ear. All the rings that I'm wearing in this video are also from Athenian Fashion, so I'll link them all down below. These are some of our newest arrivals. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in our next video.